Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your games platform. So I'm going to show you how to do it on Steam. You're going to open Steam up. You're going to write here Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Here it is. And then you're just going to click Add to Cart right here. Click View My Card then. And then you're going to click on to continue to payment. And after that, you're going to fill in your payment details and then you're going to click continue. And then you'll go into your library, you'll go into here and you'll have Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So just click install on it. And once you click install, it will start downloading Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.